7. Number 7. Another.
どこへ電話をかけに行きましたか
Very good. Okay, go ahead. Make a phone call.
電話ボックスへかけに行きました。
Okay, go to the 電話ボックス. What's 電話ボックス? Telephone booth. So Singapore ありますか? 電話ボックス. Orchard. You mean that maybe have or something like that, right?
Outside Taka, right?
Yeah, I think oh, that one.
Okay.
The small shelter that kind of, right? Yeah, something like that. Something like that. Yeah, I thought extinct already, but they still have. Yeah. Okay, same thing, right? They need to repeat the kakemas. What's kakemas? Call, right? Cause yeah, you just have to be there lah. Like Chinese, 我去这里打，我去那里买。You know, somehow the verb they're nicer lah, I guess. Okay, so they say it's nicer, so you have to follow them somehow. Okay, next.
動物園で何をしに行きますか?
Okay, very good. 動物園ね. Okay, so look at whiteboard. Just now question was here, right? どこへ, right? Now is what? 何を, right? So what's the difference? Okay, now the question is what? Do what, right? 何をします,何をしますか? Okay, technically this sentence only have 4 words, right? Zoo, what, do, go. Do you agree? Go zoo do what? Yeah. 去动物园做什么? Really, it's only 4 words. Go zoo do what? Okay, but English, proper English translator, you can say go to zoo to do what? Go to zoo for what purpose? Which is the English they say for what purpose. Actually not so cheap, not so complicated. Just say go there for what? Go there do what? 做什么 right? Because Chinese 做什么嘛? 去那里做什么? Okay? 去动物园 do what? 做什么? Okay, answer? Sorry, next. 等一下，Yeah, so it's katakana, so orangutan. Orangutan, is it? Yeah. Orangutan. The u is long power, double u. Orangutan. So, mini ikimasu. 3 words only. Go see orangutan. Because 去看 orangutan. So I go and see orangutan, or I go there to see orangutan. Okay, doesn't matter the translation, plus minus. Okay, very good. Number 9.
シンガポールへ何をしに来ましたか?
Very good. Okay, go to Singapore to do what? Come.
英語を勉強しに来ました。
Very good. Okay, go. Came to study English. That's all. Simple. Any questions so far? Okay, the format is on whiteboard for you to follow. Okay, next I need you all to do the first 3 questions here. Okay, where do you go to make phone call? And number 2, where do you go smoke? And 3, where do you go shopping? Okay. Right. So give you 5 minutes to do these 3 questions. And I have 6 of you all to come up to write. Okay. Yeah, the usual. Do you have other homework? No more, right? What homework? I can't remember. I printed something. Oh, textbook. Okay. Oh, the essay, the optional essay.
Oh, you need the optional.
I think so. I can't remember because yeah, optional.
You say earlier than optional. Okay, so there's Q and A. So I will have any 6 of you all to come up to write. So those who finish first can come up to write. Let those do slower one can slowly to write. Slowly to do. Okay, it's on whiteboard here. So when the fast one right finish on the whiteboard already, the slow one also should finish. So please write either Q or A. Okay, you all can, you all can discuss, I'm not worried.
I need to write characters here. But if you read it, you will follow the characters.
Okay, so let me see. Here, can I have the first row, the front row to right? So front row just has 6 of. So you have any order, any order. To write your answers. Okay, either the Q or the A. Okay, those we really can write, but the rest can see. Go to double check your friend's answer. Correct or wrong. That's good. It's very cool here. Cold. But the aircon is can feel until Oh, then the room is colder today, right? Is it cold? Okay. Oh, okay. Okay. Usually here warm because the wall block the aircon. Maybe it's raining now. It's 24 degrees now. But there's wind now. You can feel the wind, right? Yeah, it's supposed to make here colder. And now you see they're all wearing jackets. Like that. It's okay. Make it 25 now. The wind is medium now. It used to be high when it's very hot. Oh, it's okay. Okay, so the front row right, then later the back row will read one by one. Yeah. In order. So. Okay, one more. Anyone have one? Alright, oh, the answer is the side. Okay, can. So I start from the right side. So maybe, Sophia, you can read 1Q, then Sushi. In order, okay? Yeah. This one, yeah. Although very small. Sorry. There's a kanji here. Very good, you spot your friend mistake, very good.
Oops, forgot the
Ikimasu. Yeah, very good. Okay, then the rest, you all see any mistakes? Anything can change or add? Okay, the do, very good. Okay, sometimes you write fast or forget like. And need just missing one line. Yeah, I'm sure you all know this minor thing is not a big deal, okay? Alright, any other answers? That side probably cannot see, right? Cannot, then never mind. In fact, I think you can copy from the question. Example, right? Yeah, okay, so plus minus. Very good. Okay, let's go to next. Very good. So should be correct, right? Okay, the format exactly same as Q&A. So two different people, right? But the format same, so should be correct. Okay, so do ko change to get scared, right? Yeah. So what can be omitted? If you remember? Then what? Oh yes, remove as a pair. Okay, the particle must take out also. Just like all this.
Okay, must. The particle follows. Very good. Okay, go to 3. 3, please.
どこへ買いに行きますか?
Okay, very good. Go where buy? Yeah, 去哪里买? What's the English? Okay, shopping slightly different from 買います buy, right? What do you all think you can change? Shopping. 買い物 買い物 better. Okay? If you put 買い物, you need to add one more thing? 買い物? Huh? No? 買い物 she. Because of 買い物 she must. I don't want the must. But the she is still there. Okay? Later I'll tell you 買い物 alone also can. 買い物に行きます also can. But for now put the she inside. Okay? Okay? So can anyone don't know what's going on? Because 買います is buy. I go where buy. So it's not very correct. Unless you say buy what. You go where to buy books, go where to buy flower, that kind of thing can. But in this case shopping in general use 買い物 she must. 要去哪里买跟去哪里购物 that kind of thing. Okay, the answer.
デパートへ買い物に行きます。
I realize very skinny. The kai is 2 lines of correct. Okay, can. Okay, so if you follow the kaimasu, then also kaimasu. Otherwise, you can use the kaimono shi ni ikimasu. Okay, so you just
kaimono. So the one can add shi. Okay, so the one that kaimono shi ni. You can see that part.
very good for katakana. Very tall. Any other answer? Okay, let's go on to number 8. It's 3, sorry. 2Q. Right. タバコ。タバコ。タバコ。行きます。So, yeah, correct. The car is just, you're right. Look where it must now. Okay, very good. Okay, very good to put a full stop. Formal Japanese question also full stop. Okay, so go where to smoke. 去哪里抽那个吸烟 Correct, correct. Okay, answer.
教室の外へ吸いに行きます。
Correct. Okay, go to outside the classroom to inhale. Yeah, to start to smoke basically. Correct. Okay, the tobacco you took out is okay. It's also take out. Okay, soto. Okay. 教室 Soto is this kanji, right? You don't know why? Why? N5 kanji, right? You all probably see that before in E1 already. Okay, so 教授的外面。Okay. Okay, the next 3 questions will be your shikudai homework. Please do as homework. You do it somewhere in the middle of the week to recap what you learned. Yeah, to revise. Okay, look at the bottom. Look at the notes there. Okay, look at all the verbs there. Benkyou shimasu, kenbutsu shimasu, shikoto shimasu, jishu shimasu. What? Do you see a pattern? Yes, the shimasu is the pattern there, right? All about shimasu. These are called group 3 verbs. What are group 3 verbs? Anyone remember? Have I said something about it before? Yes, very good. Noun shimasu, correct. Okay. These verbs actually derive from a noun. And not all nouns can apply. This noun plus a shimasu, you change this noun to a verb. Okay? And they are called group 3 verbs because somebody put them like that. Okay. Then there are three types of verbs. I'll tell you more in lesson 14, which is towards the end of today. Right? And because of this, right, look at the examples below. Okay, I just read to you first. あなたは学校へ何を勉強しに行きます Compared to the second Q あなたは学校へ何の勉強に行きます Sorry, I think we better read the whole thing. Okay, read the whole thing together. Okay, let's read the first one together. あなたは何を勉強しに行きますか Okay, translation. We're off already.
Study what?
Yeah, you go school study what? Correct, right? You go to school to study what, right? Okay, even Singlish got Singlish order also, right? So be careful. Okay, yeah, correct. You go to school to study what? Then let's read the answer. Watashi wa? Okay, very good. So it's a repeat of the question, the same order. The translation is Okay, this one is what we have learned so far, right? Go to school to study Japanese. But number second question will be different. Let's read number second. Anatawa.
あなたは学校へ何の勉強しに行きますか
Okay, so what changed?
No
Yeah, nano, benkyo, and no shi. Why? Okay. First of all, nani o benkyo shimasu, right, is study what, correct? Nan no benkyo is what studies. Okay, the question will, if to E1 will be nan no benkyo desu ka? Okay, what is nan anyway? What, right? Okay, what studies, or Chinese will be 什么的课程 or something like that. What class, that kind of thing. Okay, so this format changed, but the meaning is about the same. Okay, let's read the answer first, easier to understand. Watashi wa?
私は学校へ日本語の勉強に行きます
Okay, so how do you translate this sentence?
I go to school Japanese, study Japanese.
Okay, and
School for Japanese studies.
yeah, okay, do you see it's about the same, right? Actually, yeah, I go for Japanese studies. Okay, I write down here, then we can understand better. Okay, just now was Nihongo Benkyoshi, right? But the next one I'm going to write is Nihongo. Maybe I'll just write Nihongo. 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 And Nihongo no Benkyo. Okay, what's the difference between this top one and bottom one? Okay, study Japanese and
Japanese studies.
Japanese studies, because benkyo itself is a noun. Okay, do you remember? Okay, for this case it allows because benkyo is the noun for studies. Benkyo shimasu is the verb for study. Okay, so noun and noun we have to use note to combine. Yeah, we use both to combine a noun and a verb, right? Noun or verb, right? We always do that. Eat water, eat apple, drink water. That example. Okay, basically all your noun and verbs for E1. Okay, why like that? Okay, because of this scenario, right, your need changes meaning. This need is 2. This need will be 4, correct? Okay, because proper English, you go for something, right? And you go to do something, right? Yeah, 2 is for verb, 4 is for noun. Okay, in this context, it becomes I go to school for Japanese studies. This actually consider one word, one thing, Japanese studies. Okay, so I can say business studies, go for whatever studies. Yeah, okay. Computing studies, whatever. That's the difference. And how do we change verb to a noun? For group 3 verbs, right, take out the shimas. Yeah, but they are verbs, they are not group, don't have a shimas thing. Then how? Go to eat breakfast. How you say go to eat breakfast? Okay. So we say go, how to say we go to Jurong to eat breakfast? So Jurong, Asagohan no Tabeni ikimasu. Okay, this part okay, right? But if we don't have the verb, how? Can I just say go for breakfast? Actually, we can. Okay, so you see, noun over, right? If I don't want the verb anymore, I just straight put a noun. Asagohan ni ikimasu can. Okay, I go for breakfast instead. Yeah. Okay, so these are some examples. You can say McDonald's e asagohan ni ikimasu. Can go for breakfast. Because this is a noun. This actually technically is one noun. It's 2 nouns become one noun. You know what I'm saying? Japanese studies can be one thing. Although Japanese can be one thing also, studies can be one thing, but together can become one word. Okay. Okay. So go for breakfast. Go for meal. Yeah. Actually, the noun equivalent for tabemasu is what? Huh? Noun for eat. Yeah, can, correct. Tabemono can. Go for food, can also. Yeah. Go for meal, gohan also can. Go for tabemono also can. Yeah. Go for shokuji. Better word is shokuji. Shokuji is what?
Meal.
Go for meal. Shokuji. Ji. Okay, it's actually 食事 this thing. Okay, it's a noun for meal. Shokuji shimasu also is the verb for eat. It's a group 3 verb. Shokuji shimasu means eat. Or rather have a meal. Yeah. So a lot of words saying the same thing. Yeah. Same meaning but it's just different verbs. Okay, so these are the part where you can change it to a noun if you want to. Okay, you can don't even say go to eat sushi, go for sushi also can, right? Sushi ni ikimasu. Can go for sushi. It works also. So this part done already. Now let's go to the next page. Okay, there's a lot of adverbs. Okay, I maybe go through the adverbs part first, then the second half will be easier. Okay, let me read to you this. Sensei wa Nihongo yukkuri hanashimasu. Yukkuri as a slowly is an adverb that I think lesson 14 will first appear. Okay, you can take note also. Adverbs not as many as adjective, verbs, nouns, all these, but it's still quite important, right? What adverbs did you learn before? What's the purpose of adverbs? Example, taihen, totemo, all this is to modify the degree of your verbs. Okay, the textbook says adverb can modify adverb also. I don't know how it works out, but maybe can. I don't know the example. Okay, but usually we do for modify adjectives, right? Very, not so, a little bit, yeah, totally that kind of examples, right? And modify verbs only, to be right. Okay, they say modify verb, adjective, and other adverb or something like that. Okay, so number 1 to 6, right? We probably learned before already. So I just briefly go through. Takusan arimasu means what? Have a lot, right? Okay, so we modify the arimasu, have or have a lot. Sukoshi arimasu. Okani sukoshi arimasu. Have a little bit. Okay, sukoshi is a little bit. Amari arimasen. Not much, not really have. Okay, 不是有. Okay, so zen arimasen. Not at all. Remember the degree from E1, we have the a lot until 0, right? Okay, this is some examples. Okay, yoku wakarimasu. Yoku. Okay, we memorized, did we learn before? Well. Yeah, well. As in the adverb for good. Right? You don't say I understand good, right? I understand well. We change the good adjective to adverb well. You see what I mean? Okay, what I mean by adjective to adverb is like we don't say speak quiet. Because we cannot use adjective to modify a verb, right? We say we change the adjective to adverb, right? We change quiet to quietly. Yeah, that's English is put ly sometimes like that, but Japanese I'll tell you the method later. Okay? Right, but these are all the adverbs that it's from the adverb good then they change from the adjective good change to yoku. If I never teach this, I also forget what's adjective, adverb, all this. Yeah, but now I recap a bit. Maybe learn before. It's not very important. Okay, taihen atsui desu. Taihen, any other replacement? Totemo, very good. Any? Sugoku, yeah, sugoku, it was one of them, okay? And hontoni atsui, there's yeah, got a lot, right? A lot, okay, many more, to be honest. But usually we just use this few, okay? Then you can check dictionary for more. Okay, frequency is for adverb for frequency. Let's take a look. Okay, I just roughly tell you all. Yoku got 2 meaning. Just now we learned is what? Well, right? This is often. Yeah. Okay, it means frequently. Okay. Tokidoki. What is tokidoki? Sometimes we learned that before, right? Okay, sometimes tokidoki. Sometimes. Okay, the tamani and mettani, right? These two are something new. You all can memorize. I always mix up these two because they are about the same. Okay, because tamani is occasionally and mettani seldom. What's the difference occasionally and seldom? I know it's not very frequent as well, but both. Yeah. But it's actually in order. Occasionally still got some occasions. Seldom, almost never. I don't know, is it true or not? Do you think so? But I don't know the English accurate or not. If it's accurate, we can follow. Okay? But zen is the usual, 0 not at all. Okay? Right, so English is given, so maybe okay, for those who can, we try and see, can we do it in Chinese or how do you say it often? 经常, okay, we try 经常 or 常常 or whatever. Okay, then tokidoki sometimes. 有时候 can, okay, sometimes 有时 right, because sometimes, right. Okay, then tamani. Over, occasionally is over, is it? Yeah, I'm not very sure, I ask you all. Yeah, so plus minus. Mettani? 很少, I think can. Okay, very seldom, very little. Yeah. Zen. 几乎完全, yeah. That one we learned before, right? 完全. Because the country is 全然, remember? Okay, so totally don't watch movie. Okay, these are some equivalents. All languages have their own, can compare here and there. Okay. Alright, so I think this part, yeah. Just remember adjective, adverbs, right? Later I'll teach you how to change adjective to adverb. It's at the bottom. How to change quiet to quietly, that kind of thing. Okay, later. Okay, now I want to read this passage at the last page. Just take a look at this. Takarakuji.
First of all, what do you think Takara Fuji is? There's a pao down there, right? Okay, it's actually like it's lottery lah, lottery. Like 4D Toto that kind. Okay, Takara Fuji, Japan got sell a lot of this. Okay, y'all feel free to discuss, and we'll probably read 5 to 10 minutes. You want to check dictionary is fine, then we'll go through that in a while. Printed something. It prints, right?